Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete Healthy Recovery Partition or Windows Recovery Partition. To delete Healthy Recovery Partition, you can do the following. We will use free partition resize application to fix this problem. It is a free, portable application for home users you no need to install in your PC. The link is in my description box. You can download the application from there. Now you just follow my steps to delete Healthy Recovery Partition. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.